If you want to grow your business by using the email marketing and you are looking for the tools which are easy to use, affordable, and which can turn your leads into customers, then you have come to the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you 5 best email marketing software tools which can serve this job. The first one is the ActiveCampagin, which is one of the most popular email marketing tools nowadays, and it has around 130,000 customers. One of the key advantages of the ActiveCampagin is that the design of this tool is such that it is easy to use, and it also offers the A/B testing for the emails, with the help of which you can improve your marketing over the period of time. This is by far perhaps the best tool for the small businesses. It comes in the built-in CRM. In terms of the products, they offer the email marketing, marketing automations, and CRM sales and automations. The key feature of the ActiveCampagin is that it offers you 125 plus email templates, 500 plus automation tools, 800 integrations, landing pages, SMS messaging, custom reporting, web personalization, and goal tracking and attribution. Their lowest package, that is the light version, starts as low as $750. You can start with their light package starting from 7.5, and as your business grows you can move on to the plus, professional, and enterprise packages. As per the website's data, the most popular is the professional version, which starts at 79.5. The next in line is the AutoPilot, and as their name suggests that they provide the best marketing automation, which will help you to boost the best design canvas for building the email automation sequence. You can join that with the help of the Google account, or you can join it with the email. AutoPilot is extremely intuitive, and it is good for the team collaboration. The AutoPilot starts at $49, in which they offer about 2,000 contacts to whom you can send the leads. The next one is the ConvertKit, which is by far the most popular tool amongst the bloggers and the people who create the online courses. The one disadvantage of the ConvertKit is that it does not offer any email templates, and it encourages their users to send the plain or personalized emails. But I believe that is actually for starters, it is good to have a personalized email so that you can connect with your audience. So in this way, the ConvertKit actually has a disadvantage of not having the email templates, but on the other hand, it helps you to create the personalized templates. The good thing about the ConvertKit is that you can start it completely free till you have around 2,000 email leads, and from there on you can join their paid packages. The next one is the SendinBlue, which is perhaps the best for the transactional emails. The key features that the SendinBlue offers is the CRM, marketing automation, transactional emails, email marketing, SMS marketing, chat, the landing pages. You can start it completely free, up to 300 emails per day, and from there on you can join their light package for $25 a month, and gradually as your business grow, you can move on to the subsequent packages. The links to all these would be in the description below, so you can go and check out for yourself. The next email marketing tool which we want to introduce is the Drip, which is primarily targeting the small to medium sized e-commerce businesses, and that is why the Drip can be integrated with all the popular email commerce platforms such as the Shopify, Magento, and WooCommerce. But the features that it offers is the visual automation, email and SMS marketing, discount codes, email segmentation, email store integration, and split testing sequence. And their price starts from $19 a month for a small size business. So these were the 5 best email marketing tools. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.